Hello, if you are wondering if you can pay with Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then the answer is yes. And in order to be able to pay with this device, first of all, we need to enable NFC. So we can go to the settings. In these settings, go to connections, and over here we have NFC and contactless payments. We want to make sure that this option, this NFC, is actually enabled. So tap on the switcher if it's not. Then we need an app that allows us to store the details of our credit or debit card. The most common one is the Google Pay or Google Wallet actually. So if you don't have Google Wallet installed on your device, then you can open the Play Store. In the Play Store we can tap the search and let's simply type wallet. There we go. And of course over here we have Google Wallet. This is the app that we want to install. And let's wait for the app to be installed. Alright, then we can open the app. And once you open it, you should have the option to add a card to the wallet. Well, when you open it for the first time, you will see this information over here. And over here we also have the option to add to wallet. So let's press it. It's the same thing. Then of course we want to choose payment card, unless of course you want to use something else. But let's choose the payment card. And then we will need to provide the details. But at first we can just scan the card by using the rear camera, so you can aim at the card. But if you have troubles with scanning the details of the card, we can press enter details manually. And then of course we need to fill everything in over here and then scroll all the way down and go to save and continue. Now once you set up your credit or debit card, then you can just go to the store, and when you are about to pay and you decide to pay with your credit or debit card, you can use your Samsung Galaxy A25 5G instead, just like you would use a credit or debit card. Now, keep in mind that in order to make it work, your device must be unlocked, so before you're about to pay with your smartphone, unlock it before that. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!